Glasses basement.
What will you find?
Welcome everyone, I'm just going to dive into it. This is a Vader's Vault ESB Graflex. I think it's an 89 Sabres. First thing I did was replace had a set screw below the red button there as a retention blade, so I swapped it out with a longer slot screw above it. So now that's what's holding in the blade. This was a complete gut reinstall. Vader's Vault has a really nice crystal chamber with a metal sleeve at the bottom, but there were no accents that were coming through the window there. There's a window right below the crystal chamber and some vents. So this was actually a Neopixel conversion that I did. So yeah, so you can see I added it's a brand new chassis underneath the metal sleeve, and I added a pixel LED there and 3 additional pixels underneath the vents that shines through. The kill switch is now accessible by pulling down the metal sleeve, and the Type-C charger has been moved so it's going to fit through the slot there. At this point, that is only for charging. It's not going to do a data transfer. For data transfer, just access the SD card below. You're going to need a pair of tweezers to push the SD card in and then pull it out. The speaker is detachable, obviously. It's a 28mm speaker. It's got the stock speaker accessory, and it's held together with 2 magnets. It is a 2-button operation. The power button is the rear red button, and the auxiliary is the slider. This is a CFX board, and so you can customize all the LEDs through the extras folder. Right now it's in the Pixies, but there's a bunch of different ways you can configure it. There's obviously better sound once you have the lower pommel connected, or the lower half. And you got a nice shine through the bait plug. Thanks for watching.
You've taken your first step into a larger world.